My favorite.
The anagram.
Yeah, I think of this one, I like to call it the jumble. And Larissa always gets mad at me because it's an anagram, not a jumble. But this is fun. If you click on the start button, you get these bubbles, and you have to unjumble the word and spell out what it is.
So how do you do that? What am I doing here?
You're clicking and dragging your bubbles around to try to spell out a word. And this is nice because you also get that clue button down at the bottom, so you don't know what it is. It gives you a clue. Oh, we know who that is.
Nice picture.
And we can unjumble
That was
it.
a long word, so that was a little confused.
Yeah. Let's see your spelling here.
Uh-oh, am I going to make it? Nice. So when I finally do get the word, it automatically stops and tells me. That's cool. I like that.
And it gives you a score if you want it to.
Oh, very nice.
So then you can click next, and you can go to the next one, or you can reset and do that one again. So next word.
Trouble. Now, so where am I using this? Am I just going to make up words for kids to try and solve, or how would I use this in the classroom?
I think I would use this with my vocab words, kind of reviewing my vocab words and
Perfect.
spelling
Yes.
probably those vocab words. It's a great way to use it. So that's really nice. And you'll see you can also get a clue with just a picture and no words as well.
I like that.
So let's check it out from behind the scenes here. Again, that edit button, it's going to be on all of these gallery games. And again, this is the answer key. So
So this
we
looks a little
decided-
different than the category sort.
It does, and I kind of like this one a lot. Obviously, I said it's my favorite.
Right on.
So obviously we're reviewing presidents. So we typed in the presidents we want the kids to figure out who they are. If you want a clue, you can have a clue. You can have a picture if you want. Up to you.
How do I get those pictures in there?
We actually just dragged those in right from the gallery, a picture from the gallery right into there. You could also
just
go
drop
on to
it,
Google and drag it and drop it right into those spots in the edit mode, and it'll put them right there.
Very cool.
Okay. The speed, you can also change how fast or slow it clicks down, or whether or not you even have a timer. Because it could just be like, no pressure, let's just work on our vocab words.
Very nice. I like it.
Me too. All right.
The anagram. Moving on.
WordBiz.
Ooh, WordBiz. Jackie, what is WordBiz?
WordBiz is kind of similar to the anagram. It lets you put in, what you want the kids to spell out or figure out, and then they have to click on it. So let's go ahead and see what this one looks like.
All right. So I see I got some letters of the alphabet here. What is the suffix in joyful? So let's find that out.
Nice.
Very
Look at you
good.
go.
Score 92. Beat
Sometimes
that.
I have a hard time finding the letters in the boxes, but it's
Yeah.
good for motor skills with your kids as well if you were working as a center.
Very nice. And then I have a next button to move on to the next word, or I have a reset button that allows me to go right back to the same.
Perfect. Awesome.
I feel like it changed the letters placement.
It totally did.
That's pretty cool.
Jumbles it up a little bit.
Very nice.
Okay. So what does it look like behind the scenes? Let's click finish here and then edit. And this is a little bit nicer than the jumble because you can actually write in a whole question and you're not just limited to what the bubbles look like in terms of guessing it. So that's nice.
That is nice. And I see I have some up here. I have a number of questions that I can choose from. All right, so I can go from 1 all the way to 8. Very nice.
You can do easy, speed, change your speed. And you'll see at the bottom here, characters. That means you can change what's available for the kids in terms of what shows up in the box to click on this to answer the question. So it doesn't have to be the alphabet, it could be something else.
Very cool. And then again, I just have my answers right over here, and the answers are correlating right with the question that's across from them.
All right, just like the answer key.
Awesome. And I see there's a page 2 here. If I click on that, and that just goes to my other set of questions.
Yeah, it looks like you can have up to 16 because you get 2 pages of them.
Awesome.
Nice.
Very cool.
Actually, no, you can't. It's 8 total.
Yeah,
2
number of
pages.
questions are only 8.
Yeah. That's another thing, you guys, as you're getting ready for your lesson here, if you really wanted to do more than what the game allows you, or only allows you 8 words or something like that, do 2 pages with 2 of the same games, and you can do up to as many words as you wanted to do or questions.
Very cool. I like that. I can't even stop playing with it. Oh, 100. I did beat my old score.
All right, what do we got next for you?
All right.
A couple more left. Image match, similar to the category sort a little bit. You're just matching the word with the picture. And again, we got these pictures by just dragging them into the gallery game in that edit mode.
Nice. So I can't just drop them right now into those boxes.
No, you have to go into edit first,
Okay.
and then once it's in edit, you can
Here.
grab those pictures.
This
and
is
drop
where I
them in
do all
there.
my work.
Yeah.
And I play on the other side.
So let's show you how we drop them in. You can either search for an image in the gallery here and just search for, we'll just search for president and see which pictures that come up. Or you can do the same thing from Google. And you find an image you want.
Let's just take Calvin Coolidge.
Oh, Coolidge. And you just drag it right over the top of one of those boxes until that box turns yellow. You see how it's yellow underneath? And then you just let it go over the top of that box, and it replaces whatever's in there, and it automatically resizes the image.
Can I pull this image out?
Yep, just click and drag it out. You used to, in some of them you can, and some of them you can't. So then you would just replace it.
So I can just, if I wanted to, I could just grab Bill, bring him right over,
Yeah.
and drop him on top.
Drop them in.
Very cool. It's very easy.
Yeah.
I like it.
And it works right from Google too. If you're grabbing an image in Google, you can click and drag it right down into the box, and that'll resize as well.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, I keep noticing that every time I click in here, I still don't get the cursor, but I do get a color. And that color is usually yellow, and all the ones, and that's telling me that I can write in it now. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. I like that. Easy. This one really is real easy. There is a solve button, and images, looks like I top out at 5 on this one. Cool.
That's really
So
nice.
then I just have to grab it, put it in. Let's see.
I think you got a couple wrong on that one.
That's not the U.S. Capitol. Let's
No.
check it out. Oh, I got 2 right. Supreme Court and the White House. Better, let's see, hit solve. Oh, the President of the United States, the U.S. Capitol, the Supreme Court, the White House, and the Senate. Very nice. I like that.
Nice. All right. I think we got one more for you.
Oh, this is your favorite, isn't it?
I do like this one. So this one
Second favorite, because
second
anagrams
favorite.
tops it.
cycles through a bunch of images. You click on it, and it's going to stop, and you have to choose out of the 3 which one it is.
Let's see. Jiva Theater, Straw Museum, High Falls. I'm going to go with Jiva Theater for 1, or High Falls for
Nice.
the winner.
Nice.
So the only way to stop this image, because it's kind of making me a little dizzy here,
Yeah.
is to click. Ooh, I like that. Is this Charlotte?
No, I
No.
think it's a canal.
Oh, Canal.
Winner.
Yes, winner. I like this though. This is very cool.
This is good. So again, edit, and you'll see all those pictures, and we just went right on Google and we found a picture of each thing we wanted and dragged it right into those boxes and then labeled what it was for the answer key.
And just drop it in.
Mm-hmm.
Very neat.
Okay. I do think we have one more for him. Everybody seems to like this one.
Yeah, this is the word guess.
I like to think of this one like Hangman. It's pretty much the same thing, except for you're not actually hanging somebody,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Very true. So let's just talk. Let's go right to the edit portion first for this. You can see here that we have, what is this left column for?
The words
The
that you
words.
want them to guess.
And then my right column is clues that can help me out.
Yeah.
All right. And I only have one drop down menu here, and this is going to change the way that what?
If you get it wrong, what happens to you? So
Okay, so this will be a soccer theme almost,
Yeah.
and a basketball theme, and a tomato splat. Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll go with the tomato splat. Everybody likes a good tomato thrashing. Let me look at here. So I just have to guess a word. So I'm going to try and put H.
you missed.
I missed. A B. Missed. Maybe I'll go for a vowel.
Nice.
Ooh, got that one.
Right in the
Right in
face.
the face. Another vowel.
Nice.
Oh, I like it. Missed. Missed. Can I buy a letter?
You can.
What's buy a letter get me? Oh, G. Let's see. Starting to get the hang of it.
And again, this one you could have put clues in there, which would be nice for hints to get them to guess the letters or definitions if it was a vocab word or something.
And now will it let me buy my last letter?
I don't know.
It will.
That's cheating.
It is cheating, but you know
Kinda
what?
cheating.
I got it well done.
I don't
6 out of
understand how you
6.
got well done.
Me
You
neither.
had 6 misses and 6 hits. It's only 50%.
Yeah, well, different
Kinda
standards for different people.
It's just kind of
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, so you guys are going to make some gallery games. Here's your task. You're going to create a lesson. You can use 2 of the gallery games. You can do 2 different ones, or you can do 2 pages of the same one. It's up to you. Your lesson should have your objectives, some content. What are you teaching? And we try to give you a bunch of different examples, kind of content-based examples, and then your 2 gallery game pages. There is an example up in Schooltown for your reference, as well as a reference sheet that has all the gallery games with a little clip image of it and which one it is, because we went through them and it's hard to remember what they are.
Okay.
But you just go right over to the gallery tab and you just search for whatever gallery game it was. So if you liked the anagram, you would just come over here and search for anagram, grab it under interactive multimedia.
That's where all the fun is.
That's always where the fun is. Choose your color anagram and just drag it right out into your Smart Notebook page. Click at it and go to town.
Very exciting.
All right?
Alrighty.
If you guys have any questions, remember, click on that Ask a Question button in Schooltown, or shoot one of us an email. And we'll see you on Monday.
Good luck and have fun.
Yeah.